सिर्फ चाबी घुमाओ और प्रोजेक्ट रेडी पाओ, यही है टर्नकी प्रोजेक्ट. In today's fast-moving construction industry, clients often prefer the solutions that are hassle-free and the time-saving. One such approach is the turnkey project model, and this method is especially useful in the India where the delays and the cost overruns are the common in the construction projects. In today's video, I'll explain that what is a turnkey project, its a type, benefits, drawbacks, and the real-world examples, all in simple words. So let's start. What is a turnkey project? A turnkey project is a type of a contract where the contractor is responsible for all stages of a project, from design to completion. Once the project is fully ready for use, it is handed over to the client. And the term turnkey means client only needs to turn the key to begin using the property. The client does not need to worry about the managing labors, materials, or the design or anything else. There are the many key features of a turnkey projects like single point responsibility, fixed price contract, time boundary delivery, minimum owner involvement, then ready to use handover, design and the build model, then next risk transfer, predefined specifications, and suitable for the repetitive projects and better accountability. So these are the different key points. We will take all these points in detail one by one. The very first point is single point responsibility. Because one contractor handles everything from the design to construction to the final handover, we can say it is a single point responsibility. The next is fixed price contract. Cost is decided at the beginning, and because of that, it reduces the chances of budget overruns. The next feature is a time boundary delivery. Contractor is responsible for delivering the complete project within a set timeline. The next point is a minimum owner involvement. The client has very limited involvement once the project starts. The next point is ready to use handover. The project is delivered in the fully operational state, that is ready to turn the key. The next point is design and build model. Contractor take care of both design and the construction, ensuring the better coordination. The next point is a risk transfer. Most of the project risks are transferred to the contractor only. The next feature is a predefined specifications. Detailed scope and specifications are decided before execution begins. The next point is suitable for the repetitive projects. Best for the projects like factories, housing complexes, and the infrastructure with repeatable designs. The next point is a better accountability. Since one party is responsible for everything, there is a less blame shifting and the better quality control. So these are the different key features of a turnkey project. Now we'll take different types of a turnkey projects. There are the different type of a turnkey projects like a residential turnkey projects, commercial turnkey projects, industrial turnkey projects, government infrastructure turnkey projects. So we'll take all these in detail one by one. The very first is residential turnkey projects. Residential turnkey projects are nothing but the homes or flats delivered fully ready for the occupation. They include interior finishes like flooring, plumbing, lighting, and sometimes furniture. Example of this residential turnkey project is a real estate company in the Pune offers a turnkey 2 BHK flats with a modular kitchens and the false ceiling ready for possession. Then next point is a commercial turnkey projects. These include the office spaces, showrooms, and the shops. The developer builds the property based on the client's business needs. Example of this is nothing but the IT companies in the Bangalore or the Pune outsource their office interior as a turnkey fit outs, including workstation and the electrical setup. Then the next is industrial turnkey projects. These are the factories, warehouses, or the plants delivered completely ready for the operations along with the machines, utilities, and permits. The next type of a project is a government infrastructure turnkey projects. These are nothing but the projects like airports, roads, and the hospitals are sometimes done as a turnkey contracts to reduce the public delays. So these are the different types of a turnkey projects depending upon their use. The next point is advantages of turnkey projects. There are the many advantages like a single responsibility is also one advantage, that there is only one contractor responsible for design, construction, and the delivery, and because of this it reduces the confusion and simplifies the project management. The next advantage is the time saving. Since the contractor handles everything, there are the few delays. The project moves faster as work can start without waiting for the client's decision at every stage. The next point is a cost control. The cost is a fixed at the starting of the work, so the client is safe from the unexpected price hikes in the materials or the labors. Then the next point is a ready to use. The client gets a fully completed property, just walk in and start using it. No need for additional work. The next advantage is the quality assurance. Reputed contractors deliver high quality work because their reputation and the payment depend on the finished product. Then the next point is the disadvantages of a turnkey projects. The first one is a less client control. As the contractor handles most decisions, the client has limited say, small designs or the construction changes. Then the next point is a risk of overpricing. Sometimes the contractors may quote higher prices for handling all works under one roof. Then the next point is a dependence on contractor. The client has to depend completely on the contractor. The success of the project depends entirely on the contractor's reliability and the professionalism. The next is a limited customization. After the design is finalized, it may not be easy to change things midway without extra cost. So these are few disadvantages of the turnkey projects. So to choose a turnkey project or not is a completely depends on the client choice. But a turnkey project is a smart choice for everyone looking for a complete low stress solution in the construction. Thank you so much for watching video till end. If you found the content of video useful, then please like it, share it and subscribe the channel.